Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I see there's a lot of interest in this Raddy RF75A radio. And the one thing I wanted to show you today, because my cell phone, this is an Android cell phone, it's about 4 or 5 years old. You can see, and I pointed out in this video, the text is a little wonky. See, the numbers here kind of run together, and then like this word here, which is demodulation, is so long that it wraps around. So I thought I would show you some pictures from the manual of this application that would better illustrate what you would see. So I'm going to try to do that. Now, one other thing I want to do is throw in a little ad in that in my shows, or below my shows, I have the link to my Amazon store. And I'm an Amazon associate. And when you go to my store, you're really going just to a web page that I made on Amazon. So you're on Amazon. So anything you do with Amazon, you're doing with Amazon. But if you go through that link, I get a small commission if you buy anything, birdseed, anything. So, and I use that to buy radios like this one right here. So much for the ad. Now, here is my store. And now I've added other sub-stores, I'll call it. Like here is the Tom's Radio Room, which I have, excuse me, 155 items. You can click on that and you will see the radios that I have reviewed, antennas, accessories. And if you buy one of those through my store, I get a small commission. Okay, moving on. Okay, I say okay one more time, hit me. Let's go back here. So if you go, so you can get this radio off of Amazon for the same price that it is at the Raddy store. And this is the Raddy store page. And the reason I want to show you that is because you can come down here after you did a search on this radio, and it says click here to download manual and Bluetooth remote amp using guidance. And that's what you want to do, and that's what I've done for you. So you can use this link, which I'll try to remember to put down in the comments, to get to the manual for the radio and the manual for the application and how you get the application. Okay, so we have, so here's what you get when you download. This is the manual for the application. I've downloaded it and have it in this program so you can see it a little better. So here's the first screen you see when you run it. You got to connect your cell phone via Bluetooth to the radio. This is the radio right here. And then this is what comes up. And you can see the text and everything is perfect on these screenshots. I don't know why it's not on my cell phone. Maybe there's some kind of thing I got to change, but I don't know what it is. If you know, let me know. So you can see the word demodulation here is nice and neat. You can see the numbers, they're nice and spaced out. So that's the way it should look. And then here's all the function keys. And then here is an illustration that tells you what all these things are and do and whatever. And then down here is a list of them. So you get up here, this is demodulation mode. This is the bandwidth. This is the signal to noise ratio. This is the RSSI. This is the volume, the frequency, whether it'll show either kilohertz or megahertz, the band, and one of your memory preset numbers. I don't know what this is. Let me look up number 12. I'm just going to kind of quickly go through this. Number 12. Number 12 is edit the name of the frequency stored in memory. Okay, so you can put tags in. It's also got a TF card. You can play back music or whatever recording you got. And this, by using this app, you got direct tuning via the keyboard on that screen I showed you up there. And this shows you what meter band you're in. Then the scan button lets you do the scan and store. The arrows keys let you adjust the frequency or choose what song you want to play on your memory device. Has an equalizer. Set these preset modes. Volume, of course. Band for band switching. Power on and off. SOS, so it flashes the light off and on or just turns it on. And then a lock key. And then this symbol is used to connect your phone to the radio. Equipment calibration time. I'm not sure what that is. Your sleep time and record in radio reception mode. So that means that you can record off the radio onto your TF card. Another feature. Wow. Okay, and then here's some pictures. And then that's the end of the English version. And here is what looks like maybe German. So that's it. I just wanted to show it to you real quick, show you where to get it, and how many features you get using this application. I'm hoping more and more new radios will have an application similar to this one. This is a pretty good application. Again, I don't know why the screen on my text, the text on my phone is messed up. Here it tells you how to get the application. Because if you just, for instance, for Android, if you go to the Android store and search for it, you won't find it. So you have to go through this process to find it. It's pretty simple. And it installs very, very quickly. And it's also, there's a version for the Apple store. That's it. I think you really should get yourself a radio if you haven't already. It's got so many features. I'm hoping to, I was going to this morning go outside and use the little 10-foot antenna that comes with it, which is way too short. You need 20-foot, but I was going to use the 10-foot because that's what it comes with, and see what I could pick up on shortwave. But fortunately or unfortunately, it's raining finally in Florida. We've been praying for rain for months. It's finally raining tonight, so I'm not going outside. It's raining. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm giving you shows and content you're interested in and not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.